Hi, I'm Laura Beth. In this video, I'll review the tax data conversion services we offer for CCH ProSystem FX Tax. When evaluating switching tax software, often one major concern influences your decision more than any other. Will I lose tax return data and history when I switch? And if so, how much? As you will soon see, the CCH ProSystem FX tax conversion process minimizes this concern. Data conversion is the process of translating computer program data from one format to another. Since each program handles data differently, your data must be converted before it can be used by the new program. The major tax software vendors use each other's software to develop programs that allow customers to convert their current tax returns when switching tax software. Our software engineers write conversion programs for each specific tax vendor to convert the data from their format to our format. These conversion programs are updated every year. Returns are converted free of charge by the Wolters Kluwer conversion team. That said, these tax conversions are not intended to create a historical record or replicate your original tax return. We recommend that prior year returns are kept in the original system. That is the best place to amend prior year returns and maintain the most complete picture of the filed return, including e-filing information. At a minimum, we suggest keeping PDFs of prior year returns. The purpose of the tax conversion is to facilitate your transition to CCH ProSystem FX Tax. Our best practice is to convert each tax return once to facilitate the next step in the life of the tax return. So now that we've covered the basics of tax conversions, let's move on to more specific details about the process. Our free tax conversions are available for these tax software solutions. Your central resource to learn all the details about the tax conversion for your specific vendor is our tax conversions website. The homepage provides general information about what will and will not convert. Because conversions are from one computer program to another, not every piece of data can be converted. The links take you to your specific vendor's details page, where conversion details by return type for the current tax year and the prior 3 years can be found. Conversion details documents for the current tax year are available in both HTML online view format and as a PDF download. Both are fully interactive, allowing a jump from the IRS form names to a detailed list of items converted for that form, notes regarding post-conversion review requirements, and identifies the forms that do not convert. In the What Do I Need to Get Started section, the 3 guides, Conversion User, Preparation and Backup, and Post-Conversion provide detailed instructions for every step of the conversion process. The steps of the conversion process are preparing returns for conversion, submitting returns for conversion, downloading converted tax return data, and importing converted tax return data. Additional instructions are provided for creating organizers, roll forward pro forma converted tax return data, and reviewing and updating converted tax data. Every single detail is covered in these guides, but if you need additional assistance, a dedicated team of conversion specialists are available to help throughout your conversion process, from preparing returns for submission to receipt of your converted data, and even suggestions for planning your post-conversion process to prepare for tax season. So, how is your tax data converted? Your returns are submitted through our conversions website and converted using a secure process by the Wolters Kluwer conversion team. The conversion does not require scheduling and is processed on a FIFO basis. Converted return data is returned through the same website, ready for you to import into CCH ProSystem FX Tax. You will receive an email notification when each submission is completed. Let's discuss the 2 types of conversions, extension and pro forma. Extension return conversion is designed for those returns that have been started in the original tax solution and put on extension. These extended returns can be completed in CCH ProSystem FX Tax. Extension conversions are available starting in July. In most cases, returns are converted using the pro forma conversion for first use in the next tax year. In other words, a completed current year return is converted to create the file necessary to begin preparing the next year's tax return. Return files are converted starting in November each year, so the necessary roll forward can begin in December. Once the tax software for the next year is available, converted returns rolled forward to the next year can be reviewed, edited, and any tax information not converted can be added to the file. Neither conversion method will fully replicate your original tax return. When first working with them, a complete review of converted tax returns is essential. This is a one-time task to accommodate the transition to your new tax solution and should be planned accordingly. Before we wrap up, let me share a final thought and recommendation based on a question we often hear. Many customers ask, when is the best time of year to convert tax returns? Should I convert all at once? The most common answer is to wait until the end of the year to convert after the extended tax filing deadline. The problem with this approach is that your staff won't have many active tax returns to work on in CCH ProSystem FX Tax, reducing their opportunity to become familiar with the new solution. Our experience has shown that summer is a great time to convert some of your extended returns. Staff can work on extended returns during the summer when there is less pressure from a filing deadline to become familiar and comfortable with CCH Access Tax. When it comes to your conversion, our experienced conversion team is available to work directly with you to plan a conversion strategy that best suits your office. This completes our review of the conversion process for CCH ProSystem FX Tax. We have decades of experience converting tax returns with one of the most, if not the most, complete tax return conversion in the industry. We can guide your office through the conversion process to ease your transition to CCH ProSystem FX Tax. Thanks for watching.